Hey friends, Linda here with Life on Summer Hill, and today we are going to follow along with my nephew as he hangs a wreath on brick. He's actually already hung it. You can see it here in the background. And the way he hangs it, it can withstand the weather. It can withstand wind, snow, and all that stuff. So I thought you might be interested in seeing how he does this. It's easy, I promise. Anyone can do it. I can do it even. The key is the right tool. So let's get started and I'll show you how he hangs a wreath on brick. Hey friends, so I'm here at my niece and nephew's house and we're going to hang a wreath on their brick. And we thought you might like to see how to do that. I have other DIYs on how to hang wreaths on windows. I'm going to do one on a screen door, but this one's on brick. Their mortar is really shallow, so there's no option to hang something on each brick because there are little pieces you can do that, but not on there. So you have to drill into the mortar, and we're going to show you how to do that now. Okay, so first thing you need to know is you need a masonry drill bit, and you're going to drill that into the mortar, not into the brick, into the mortar. Funny story here, we actually had to go get a smaller drill bit because our anchor went right into the hole. So learn from us. Next, hammer the anchor into the hole. Drill your screw into the anchor, but do not screw it in all the way. Leave it out about a half an inch. Okay, so we're using a wire tie, or I call it a zip tie. And you're going to loop it through the wire on the back or somewhere on the back, right at the top. And then what do you do from there? Do you run it through that hole?
Yep.
So, and then you tighten it or you leave it loose? Okay, so you leave it a little bit loose because you're going to hang that on the screw. And I assume you cut the top? We're going to cut the top. Okay, let's go see how it looks. Okay, so he's going to take and hook that tie onto this nail. Okay. And I can't really show you.
A flashlight, would that help?
No, it's okay. Okay, so basically he put the tie onto the nail and then he zip tied it into place to really secure it so that when the wind blows or anything, it won't come off. Okay, so once you have it up here, you're going to need to cut the zip tie that's hanging down inside. So he's going to cut that zip tie so you can't see it. And then you can't see a zip tie in there now. So you just fluff up your wreath and you're all done. Okay, so now that we have the wreath hung, let's step back and look at it on the house. So what did you think? Did you find this DIY helpful? I hope you did. And I'm going to link in the description another tool or device. It's like a clip that goes onto your brick so you don't have to drill into your mortar. But if your mortar is flush with your brick, then you won't be able to use it. So go to a link in the description and check out this little clamp that you can put on your brick, and it's great for interior or exterior also. So thank you so much for coming and joining me here at Life on Summer Hill. I hope you are having a wonderful day, and we'll see you soon.